What is up, guys? Standard this side. In this video, I'm going to compare two of the softwares which are Authelia and Authentik, and I'll tell you which authentication proxy is better in 2025. So, we will cover up some features, integrations, and security to help you choose the right one. So, let's get started. So first, let's move with what are they? So Authelia is an open source authentication and authorization server that acts as a reverse proxy companion. It's designed to secure internal servicing using SSO, 2FA, and access policies all in a lightweight and modular setup. And Authentic, on the other hand, is a full-fledged identity provider with a beautiful web UI. It supports OAuth 2, OIDC, SAML, and LDAP, making it ideal for larger setups, teams, or public-facing applications that need SSO and user management. And now, let's talk about the next step, which is features and protocols. So, Authelia offers 2FA via TOTP, Duo, or WebAuthn, and ACLES, which is access control list via registers, and it works mainly as a gateway to protect internal services and native support for forward auth with reverse proxies, whereas Authentic is full IDP with OAuth 2, SAML, OIDC, LDAP, and it has built-in user directory, groups, and permissions. It also supports login flows, custom policies, self-service portals, and external providers like Google, GitHub, Azure, Add. In the verdict, for pure internal service protection, you should use Authelia, and for acting as a complete login service for multiple apps, you should use Authentic. And now, let's move to the next step, which is security, performance, and community. Both are secure, modern, and open source, but Authelia is known for its speed and simplicity with minimal dependencies, great for home labs and edge startup, whereas Authentic has more moving parts but also powerful features. Community wise, both projects are active, through Authentic has gained more traction in business and DevOps communities recently. In the verdict, if you want a minimal attack surface, you should use Authelia, and if you want full enterprise like IDP features, you should choose Authentic. And now, let's move to the final verdict. So, which one is better in 2025? You should choose Authelia if you want to secure internal apps with 2FA and love YAML configs and fast reverse proxy integration, and also prefer a low resource, no frills approach. And you should choose Authentic if you need a full identity provider for multiple services, want to offer login portals, social auth, or SSO. Prefer a powerful web UI and user management. So, let me know in the comments which one are you choosing. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.